I'm starting a new playlist called How To. It's a selection of videos about servicing the Sportster. This one's about checking the primary chain tension. So the first thing we do is take the inspection cover off. And you'll notice there's O-rings on there, and it's a good idea to replace those because I've had them before and I haven't replaced them and it's leaked. So I replace the O-rings and I replace this gasket type thing here as well, just because it's easier. And there's your chain. And deflection when cold is 3/8 to 1/2 inch. And it's quite difficult to show, but Hammer, on one of their videos, they use a 1/2 inch spanner to judge the deflection, which I think is a pretty good idea. And if you need to adjust it, it's this nut down here. And I've got to take this cover off because I'm replacing the clutch in the next video. So what I'll do is I'll show you the inner workings of the adjustment, because there's a shoe here inside that is moved up and down by that screw, and then that adjusts the tension on the primary chain. But I'll show you the inside so you'll get a better idea at the end of the video. So there's a 1/4 Allen key in the bottom, so you hold it there and then loosen off your lock nut, make your adjustment. So after you've made your adjustment, you hold the adjusting screw with the Allen key and then you tighten up the lock nut to 27.1 to 33.9 Newton meters, which is 20 to 25 foot-pounds. And then replace with a new washer, a gasket, and new O-rings on the screw. And they're tightened up to 40 to 60 inch-pounds, or 4.5 to 6.8 Newton meters. Job's done. Okay, so this is the cover off, and there's the adjuster with the screw. So as you turn the screw, it moves that shoe up and down that rests against the chain at the bottom and tensions it, and that looks fairly good condition to me. And that's what the tensioner looks like when it's out. So, and that just pushes up against that. So I hope that's helpful. Okay, hope you found that helpful. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you next time. Cheerio!